There's an ion cannon on the top left of the map, and it is defended by an absurd defense force and is on an island. The island top is going to be a...
Lobbyists will succeed in watering down any new laws where possible.
It's not a Ferrari. Teeth, be quiet. It's alright. Let's get back to the action.
Oh god, that's new. Misguided.
In my life, I've gotten pretty comfortable fighting with workers in weird scenarios, giving me an easy kill. To finish off the Marines, I kill one of my useless hatcheries and swarm them with bird legs. It's really bizarre. I haven't found anything else in any of the campaigns that does this, just this bunker. After clearing out the Marines and the paper-mache bunker...
Manual record.
Basically, it's you isolate yourself from the outside. You're not supposed to turn there.
Perfectly, sometimes stuff just doesn't quite work. There is a conspicuous absence of mouse over information, or even any information in the
Manual recording will now start.
See any clear stats, but you could see some other information.
Hey, where's the fucking fire, you asshole?
It's frankly a little. We want lots of credits to spend on microtransactions, monitored what people spend their money on, and before releasing the final game.
Alright, what are you doing?
You if you're getting warmer.
Up a bit. Left a bit. Well done. I have been
This kind of lifestyle went on way into Jason's adulthood, and he said that he could never
Good God. You got a passing zone, use it. And you completely missed it.
It's grown on me, and I can see why you're so up your own ass about it. Baba would agree that the reason Maryland's state flag is so great.
And even then, that's on the Texas side of the border, so it doesn't. Hey, where are your lights?
Made by Americans exercising their Second Amendment rights and file these red flags with law enforcement. This sentiment mirrors public sentiments from the area of political politicians.
Farm tools, crops, colonial ships, and I'm just so tired of it all. Just be glad you didn't.
I just realized I'm about to go out the wrong way. So you know what, I'll do this.
Manual recording will now start.
Back into this other opening spot. this way the way I'm supposed to. What am I doing?
Manual recording.
To the driver behind me, are you gay? Because you ride my ass like you want to fuck it.